Welcome back, nail queens. I have gotten so many questions about how I remove my press-on nails, so I wanted to show you. So the first thing I like to do is start with a bowl of warm, soapy water. My press-ons are adhered using sticky tabs and a little bit of nail glue, so I need to do this because there is actually nail glue on my nails. If they were sticky tabs, I usually wouldn't soak them. I would just take a shower or wash the dishes, but this works just as well. So I just put my hand in this bowl and soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when I take it out, I take an orange wood stick, something that's not too sharp, which is why I have chosen to use an orange wood stick, and because I don't want to stab myself, and I just start like pressing underneath the tip. Most of the time they come off really easily. The glue has loosened up. However, not every time actually works that way. So if you notice that your glue is not coming off, then you definitely want to soak for longer. You do not want to force them off. So as you can see here, a couple of them are coming off pretty easily, maybe need a little bit of extra work, but the whole goal is for them to come off easily without being forced off. If you notice they're not coming off as easily, soak your hands in your bowl for another 5 to 10 minutes or add more oil. Basically, you're trying to make it loosen up the glue as much as possible. So here I soaked my nails for about another 5 minutes, and I'm able to get the orange wood stick underneath there and get the nail off. I do it this way versus soaking off because I'm trying to preserve the press-on nails so that I can use them again. However, if you're not trying to preserve your press-on nails, perhaps you would like to soak in acetone. That's another option. I'm just taking this orange wood stick here and dipping it in acetone so that I can stick it under there and it will dissolve the sticky tab. Then I take a mixture of acetone and rubbing alcohol, and I just work on getting the sticky tab residue off of my nails, but this was totally worth it so that my press-on nails are preserved and I can use them again. I hope this answered everyone's questions on how I remove my press-ons. This is the method that I use. However, if you use another method, let me know in the comments below. I would love to learn your techniques.